Do you want to learn how to make money on Twitch? My name is Cody, and I'm going to be showing you 7 different ways that you can make money on Twitch. If that sounds good to you, make sure to click the like button, and let's get started. By the way, if you guys have any questions while watching this video, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So the first method is going to be one of the only ways that you can make money without being affiliated, without being a partner. You can start making money with this method the very first day that you decide to stream. And that's going to be by accepting donations through PayPal or credit card using Streamlabs. Basically, you can have a link that you give to your viewers that they can choose to give you donations via PayPal or credit cards. And I have an entire video in the top right corner on how to set all that up. So if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead, watch that video, pause this one, and then come back and I'll show you the other 6 methods. So everything past the first method, you're most likely going to need to be affiliated. And that just means that you've hit all the different affiliate requirements. If you're struggling, I have other videos on how to grow your channel in the top right corner. Method number 2 is actually by getting subscribers. Getting subscribers on Twitch is going to be one of the most common ways on how streamers get their money. The way that they do this is by when a viewer subscribes, they can choose either a $5 tier, a $10 tier, or a $25 tier. Now, the streamer doesn't get all of that money. Twitch does take their cut, so you're not going to get the full $5 from the $5 sub. But that is one of the easiest and one of the most common ways that Twitch streamers get their money. Method number 3 is by getting bits. Now, you might be asking yourself, what the heck are bits? Basically, bits are the virtual currency that Twitch has. So 1 bit is the equivalent to 1 cent. So if someone donates 100 bits, they're basically giving you $1. Now, viewers can go ahead and buy packs of bits by going on the little bit button in the chat room. However, you'll notice that there is going to be a little transaction fee. I think it's like $1.40 for 100 bits. And that's because when you get 100 bits, you get the full 100 bits. You get 100 cents. So Twitch has to make their cut in somewhere, and that's by adding these extra transaction fees when they buy the bits. Viewers can also watch advertisements and get free bits, but that's not available in every single country, and it's also pretty rare to actually get advertisements. So the fourth method is actually taking advantage of extensions. One of my favorite extensions is called crowd control, and it's a little complicated. I might make a video in the future, but crowd control is one of my favorites because you can play games like Super Mario 64 and viewers can use their bits to affect things that happen in the game. So if I'm playing Super Mario 64, I'm about to kill Bowser, my viewers can donate bits or pool their bits together to make it so I'm about to die, or they can kill Mario, or they can give him like a wing cap, or they can do a whole bunch of crazy different things that actually keeps them engaged with the game. So it's boosting your engagement with chat while also helping you get a little extra money on the side. There's also other extensions, like you can have a little arcade, you can get like a fake Flappy Bird that they can pay 10 bits to play while they're watching your stream. So just go check out all the different extensions. There's a lot of different options that you can go ahead and experiment with. But also keep in mind with extensions, most of the time the developer is going to get a 20% cut. So if you get 100 bits through the extension, you're only going to keep 80 bits while the developer gets to keep 20 bits. Number 5 is going to be affiliate marketing, and that's going to be placing any kind of affiliate links through Amazon or whatever you want below in your description or your chat room, or if you use like the Amazon affiliates extension. So basically what affiliate marketing is, if I have a link for, let's say, a Razer keyboard and someone buys it through my link, then I'm going to get like a 1 to 5% commission. So if the keyboard costs $100 and I have a 2% commission, then I get $2 anytime someone buys that keyboard through my link. So you can work out different affiliate marketing with different companies, but the most common one is using Amazon, and there's also an extension that you can use to display your entire streaming setup, so that way someone can scroll through and see what gear you have. They'll click it. If they buy it through that link, then you get a small commission on top of that as well. Number 6 are actually advertisements. Now, advertisements really don't do much in the grand scheme of things unless you're soda popping with like 10,000 viewers, because the ads that run pre-roll, mid-roll, whatever ads that your viewers are watching when they click on your Twitch stream, you'll get like a fraction of a cent per view. So don't even really worry about that, but you are going to be getting some money through advertisements. Last on the list is number 7, and that's going to be sponsorships. Now, sponsorships are pretty rare if you're new to Twitch, because basically companies, what they'll do is reach out to bigger Twitch streamers and they'll be like, hey, you're getting a lot of views and you're getting a lot of traffic, and we think our product would be nice for you if you can go ahead and advertise it on your stream, and we'll pay you a lump sum of cash, or they'll give you an addition where if they buy the product through your link, then you'll also get affiliate marketing commission on top of that. So usually sponsorships are great, but they're pretty rare for new streamers. And if you do get a sponsorship deal and you're not really like a big streamer, look through the contract and make sure you're not getting screwed, because a lot of different companies tend to be predatory when it comes to new streamers. So make sure you read through your contract if you do get a sponsorship offer, and make sure you're not getting screwed. So now that we've gone over all the different ways that you can actually make money, let me me show you a couple of different tips that will actually implement these things, so that way you can just kind of plug and play into your own stream and just give you a little boost right off the bat. So one of my favorite ways is actually using a tool called Nightbot. How I use Nightbot to my advantage is using the timer feature. Now, what the timer feature does is every so often you can set it to like every certain amount of chat lines. So if there's 30 like lines of chat, then it'll post this message that you set, or you can set it to like every 30 minutes it'll say this. But basically, it's just a nice little reminder to remind your chat, like, hey, if you're enjoying the stream and you're able to, you maybe drop a donation or maybe, you know, donate some bits here and there without you having to go and be like, hey, chat, you guys want to drop me a few bucks like while the midstream. That way, it just kind of comes off bad. You know what I mean? So that's one of the easiest ways to implement, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And this is going to work for anybody. You don't even have to be affiliated. So what you want to do is head over to nightbot.tv and sign up with them. Once you've signed up, this is what the dashboard looks like. If it doesn't look like this because there's an update, don't freak out. It's basically the same thing. Just follow what I'm doing. What I'm more interested in is timers. So I'm going to click on timers. And here's a couple of my timers that I have up. So I have one called socials, and the timer message says, let's be friends. And then it has my Discord link, my YouTube link, and my Twitter link. So if I click on edit here, you'll see this is the message that you can customize. And then it happens every 15 minutes, Nightbot will post this message. And then if it's been 15 minutes and there's been at least 2 lines of chat, then it'll post it. I'd actually recommend dropping this up to like 20 lines, because if chat's not moving, it's going to post it every 15 minutes. So it's just like Nightbot spamming your link over and over again. So I have an Amazon one where basically I have an Amazon link. If anybody wants to buy anything through Amazon, they can buy it through this link and it'll support the stream. One of the ones for, let's say, donations. So if you have a timer that says, hey, you know, if you're liking the stream, make sure to support the channel. And then you would go and you would say, hey, you know, make your message, and then you put your link to your donation. So if you watched my video at the beginning, scroll back and watch how to set up your PayPal and credit card donations, and then you'll get the link and you post that link in this message with the nice little kind message them reminding them to support your stream. But also under commands, you can also make custom commands. If someone types !donate in my chat, the message will pop up, click this bad boy to support the stream, and it has my donation links. Anybody in chat that sees that message, they have the opportunity to go ahead and click that link, and whether they choose to or not, they can donate money to support the stream. But it's just like a nice little friendly reminder without you having to like shove it down their throat saying, hey, please support the stream, man. If you guys want me to make a video on some of my absolute favorites and must-dos in order to increase the revenue, now that you guys actually know the ways to make money, let me know down in the comments below, and I will more than happy make that video for you guys. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, leave them down in the comments below, or you can ask me live on Twitch. I'll leave my link in the description down below, as well as my course if you need help getting affiliated so you can take advantage of most of these different ways to monetize your live stream. But if this video helped you, make sure to drop a like. I'll leave these 2 videos on the end screen because I think you're going to like them, and I'll see you in the next one.